Today, I'm going to maybe try to walk a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to do a half a mile. This is actually the walking track. It's all iced up still. The baseball field, which is all froze up still. We're going to walk over here and get a closer look at that. And I'm pretty sure this is iced up. So, yeah, it's not too bad. It's a little slick. Yeah, let me show you. See, it's still too slick to walk on. See, I'm not even lifting my feet up. Get right here. But yeah, we are on Wednesday. So the storm came in late Saturday evening. And here it is, Wednesday. And still got snow-filled baseball field. A snow-covered baseball field. The track is covered. It is like 36 degrees, so just above freezing. Super cold. But from what I hear, we are going to be getting another round of some bad weather this week. Check this out. That's the baseball field. Can't get a good look at it. I would like to hit some balls on this field. Let me play a few games on this field. I'm going to go out here to the main road, get me some exercise, do a little walk up the road and back down. Go check out the parking lot of the actual trails up there. So, yeah, calling for another batch of bad weather. And I think this time it might be mostly snow, from what they're saying. But it's still going to get down to that frigid temperatures. 10 degrees, 7 degrees. It's going to be a hard freeze if it does any precipitation. So, but I think about one round of this is I'm good with. You know, get too much of it, it just affects you. Whoa! But yeah, I think about one round of this kind of weather I'm good for. Somebody's been here. It's not my footprints. Got a couple baseball fields at this park. This is the park that you'll probably see me and Biscuit come on some walks. What am I walking in that for? You'll probably see me and Biscuit bring him on some walks around this, and he goes around this once or twice, and then we hit the trails. Got 2.5 miles of trail. It's kind of like a big loop trail out there. It's pretty good. I've done a video with me and him doing that, but you can look forward to seeing that in the near future. Some Biscuit walks. Let's see. And this park has disc golf also all the way throughout the whole trail. I might go down here, see if I can get an angle shot. It's so cold out here that it almost takes your breath. But I might, once I leave here in a few minutes, I might ride back through town, go on some secondary roads. The roads itself looks pretty good. They look about like this. Some of the secondary roads looks like the parking lot up there, which I'll show you that in a few minutes also. Whoa. It's a little slick still. I was going to show you that, but it's too slick, huh? Good sledding weather. Or snow, ice, or whatever. Didn't really plan to do this, so this is kind of like spur of the moment. Here we go. That is slick. I just do this. Here's one of the holes for the, it's a par 4. And I've played disc golf a time or two. I mean, Carmen did. And I really enjoyed it. Didn't know what I was doing, but still enjoyed it. But there's hole number 9. And it actually goes all the way up that hill. And you can see the trail goes in and in. Just kind of like loops around the whole disc golf course. I'm going to keep walking for a minute. I don't think I've ever went down through here. I think it's just kind of like a city water treatment plant or something. But we're going to see. Yeah, you can see it's still pretty icy, so the roads might be clear. There's a car coming up through here. So yeah, this is a nice little peaceful disc golf course. You can sit there. There's your tee box. There's one of your holes or baskets. So yeah, I'm gonna walk on up to the main parking lot up there. It's a little iced up, but as I was saying, is in this post-winter storm, be safe walking on this stuff, because it is very slick, and you'll bust your tail, break a hip, a leg, and that ain't good. So yeah, don't be fooled by the puddles of water, as they will, kind of freeze over once we're not in a good warm spell here. Can't wait to get that good warm spell to get out and bring some awesome content to you guys, just to get out. But in the meantime, I'm exercising. Part of my plan for this year, we'll make a video on that. So I may come in here and make some videos, just talking heads videos for you guys. So let's walk on up and see what this parking lot, not this parking lot, but the parking lot to the trails look like. That vehicle that was coming in behind me, he's coming here to exercise, which is fine. But he's walking around that ice-filled track. I don't know. He's gonna bust his tail if he's not careful. I'm walking on the pavement. That's safer. So that's what I'm doing. I'm choosing to not walk on the frozen track. Whee! Got a little dizzy there, huh? Let's go see what this pavement or this little gravel parking lot looks like. On this clearing out day, we are expected to get more bad weather this weekend, this Saturday. And it's supposed to get down like 10 degrees. So, not looking forward to that. We need to get rid of this first. And maybe a month later, have another batch, but not back to back like this. This is still slick. And all it's doing is just refreezing. Melting, refreezing. But we are clearing out. But we got to brace for another storm, which, yeah, this is pretty bad coming in here. See, still pretty bad. But we are bracing for yet another storm to come through. Yeah, that's slick. This upcoming Saturday, this parking lot's probably going to be a sheet of ice as I'm walking on the grass for safety. It got unsafe, so I found some melted pavement. Oh man, okay. Yeah, that's super slick. Yeah, I'm not walking on it. It really should be closed. They should have a rope up here, but that's the parking lot to the trails, to the ball field track. And that takes you up to the wooded trails. So that's the ball field. So let's walk on back, and gotta head to town for a minute anyways. So we're gonna see what the roads maybe look like over there. If not, I'll end the video at the house or whatever. So just a quick update video on how it's clearing out here in the Carolinas, as we are attempting to clear out as much as we can. Cold weather is still in place. I was gonna go to town, but I drove through town and it wasn't that bad. Some side secondary roads. Basically, just be careful. Watch where you're driving. Watch where you're stepping, because it is slick. And I'm kind of trapped here. No disc golf today. Maybe some sledding disc golf. But that's about it. It's slick. I found out firsthand up there. Yeah.
We should kept
Hey.
Christmas decorations up.
Look who's home. She abandoned me through the ice storm. But safety.
I have bought myself a Lenovo, the flip laptop, the one that flips over, turns into like an iPad or a tablet.
And she bought it.
I bought it with my money. And then Dad bought me a little stylus to go with it.
So we're gonna unbox this baby.
Battery. It's wired.
What kind of battery is that?
Quadruple A.
Oh, it looks little.
Because they are. Now how I connect this, don't know.
We'll figure it out, you will.
Came with instructions. Oh, and I got this one too because it's by the actual like Lenovo brand, so I figured it would be good.
Yeah.
Here's what it is. It's a Lenovo digital pen.
You needed this stuff for school.
Yeah, I've been wanting it for a while. It's not even that I like needed it. Mine's not really that compatible, I don't think.
Hey, I might get yours though.
Oh, you probably will. I think that's a charger.
Yeah.
It's got a weird charger, I think. Or no, this is the charger.
Yeah.
So I don't know what that is. Biscuit's currently sitting on the rug watching because he doesn't like boxes.
But he's getting there. He's doing better.
Well, I think Christmas helped him out.
I do too. Looks nice, Carmen.
I'm so excited.
It'll probably be more compatible with what y'all operate at school with.
Yeah.
That's why I don't do Apple.
No, not really. Here it is.
What's up, Biscuit?
So here's it.
He loves his rug, by the way.
Here's it like vertical. And then you take it and you. Like that.
Oh.
There you go.
And then the keyboard's on the other side? Oh, wow. That's all right. I like that. You done good picking it out. So do you got any ice stories to tell?
Getting out of my boyfriend's neighborhood was kind of scary.
Yeah.
Because it was so iced up on the roads.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. You know, tomorrow, well, really today is the first day. It was easy to kind of get out here. So, you know. Alrighty, the kitchen looks like a big mess now because of the stuff on there.
Whatever.
All it takes is a couple little things and makes it look like a mess.
There's a yellow light on something. I had a
Look
couple
at
of those
him.
at school.
Look at it. Right now, my MacBook over there, it's a 8 gigabyte. She has a 16 gigabyte. So, better. Overall, if I ever want to upgrade to like Final Cut Pro or Adobe, I'll be able to do it. I will be able to do that with hers. With mine, 8 gigabytes, you can't. She comes home with a brand new, is it a laptop?
Yeah.
So, you know, brand new laptop.
Laptop / tablet. I was thinking about getting a tablet with and like an external keyboard for it. One that you just like, it attaches, but you can like take it off or something. That's what I was thinking about doing, but I saw one that was cheaper, was more in my budget of what I wanted to like find, and they were it didn't have the best reviews. Like they were saying like not good, not worth the money. Might as well just save up and get an expensive one. So yeah. I was like, and then I saw this one. This one had like 4.8 out of 5 stars.
And it was under $400.
Yeah, it was like.
And did you order it from Amazon or
Best Buy?
Best Buy. Oh wow.
And it got here in 2 days.
Yeah, I'm impressed. You guys be safe this weekend. Some more bad weather coming in this weekend. I talked about that earlier at the beginning of this video. So some possible snow, some accumulations throughout all of the Carolinas again. We don't need it, but it's out of our hands, right? It's out of our hands.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, thank you guys for watching. And this video is over. And see you guys on the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.